Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add signature to PDF document. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add signature to your PDF document, go to your browser and in search type I love PDF sign. I love PDF sign. Now hit enter. The first link ilovepdf.com sign PDF online. Open this link. Now click on select PDF file. I'm going to open this PDF. Who will sign this document? You will find here two options, only me or several people. If you want to add several people sign, you have to invite others to sign. I'm going to sign only me. Now click on only me. Here, type your full name. I'm typing my name. You will find several signature design here. You can select one of these. I'm selecting the second one and click on apply. Look, this is the signature. Now scroll down. I want to add my signature here. Just drag the signature and drop on where you want to put your signature. I'm putting my signature here. Look, the signature is added. To download, click on sign button on lower right corner. Now click on download file, or you can share your document to Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Look, the file has been downloaded. Now I'm going to open my file. Look, the signature is added to my PDF file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.